How's it going, guys? If you're tired of fighting with your cabinets every day in your kitchen, here's everything you need to know about how we can fix that for you. I'm here at our shop in Conroe, Texas, where we build all of our custom pull-out solutions for existing cabinets just like yours. What I'd like to do is go over just a few of the different options that we offer. Our main three are gonna be our single, our double, and our triple drawer slide-out system. What makes our system unique is gonna be our deluxe framework system. This system eliminates you having to mount anything into the sides of your cabinet. This entire framework will slide into your cabinet and fasten down to the base, making for a very simple and fast installation. We offer different spaces between your drawers. We offer full height adjustable systems. We have lots of different options of drawer heights for you to come up with the exact cabinet configuration that you need. All of our drawers are made from real wood construction. Nothing is made from particle board. We use real wood bottoms that will ensure no sagging. We only use 100-pound rated, heavy-duty, full extension ball bearing guides. We're gonna ship these units to you with the drawers fully assembled, hardware already mounted on them. The only assembly that's gonna be required on your part is gonna be assembling this deluxe framework kit. And even at that, it's gonna ship to you about 50% already assembled. Let's break down exactly how to put these things together. All right, guys, let's get started and putting one of our frameworks together. So whether you got a double drawer, a triple drawer, a pantry system, all of our systems are going to be assembled the exact same way. In this scenario, we're gonna be putting together a double drawer unit, but I'm gonna also be comparing it to our triple drawer units as well as our full height frames, so you guys can get the full picture. If you end up buying a unit from us and need to come back to see how the assembly goes, you'll be able to see everything right here in this video. So first off, we're gonna point out the different components that are included in your deluxe framework kit. You're gonna have a total of these 4 wooden spacers along with these 2 side panels. So what we're gonna be doing is attaching those 4 spacers in between these 2 side panels. That is gonna set the distance apart for you to then install this into your cabinet and for it to hold your drawers. Let's get started. We're gonna begin by using the screws from your hardware pack in bag A. You're going to take your side panel, you're going to locate the spacers that have the holes drilled in it, as that will represent the bottom spacers. You will use these holes to run screws through to mount this whole unit down to the base of your cabinet. You will take one of your spacers and line it up to the hole on the front of the frame. You'll take one of your screws from bag A, insert it into the hole, take your screw gun, and then fasten this in. Now that we have all 4 spacers attached to one side, we can flip this around towards us. We can take our other side panel, line it up with these 4 spacers, and then attach this side with it. All right, our next step is going to be removing the drawer guides from the drawer. These drawers are going to ship with you with the drawer guides already attached. We're going to begin by sliding this drawer guide all the way open. That will reveal this black tab. To release the guide, you are going to push this tab down and simply pull the guide off. We're going to flip the drawer over and repeat the same step on the other side. To attach our drawer guides, we're going to be using the screws from your hardware pack that are labeled B. We're going to empty these screws out. We're going to lay the frame on its side, as it'll make installing the guides much easier if we do. You're going to take the front of the drawer guide and you're going to make it flush with the front edge of your frame, just like this. You have a total of 3 screws that you'll put on each guide. You're going to slide the guide open, revealing the mounting holes. You're going to put 1 screw in the front, middle, and back of the guide. There are many holes to put the screws in. You can't put it in a wrong one, as long as they're evenly spaced apart, front, middle, and back. The frame over, do the same thing on the other side. All right, guys. Now that our frame is assembled, we're ready to install this in the cabinet. Before we do, I'm going to show you a few of the differences between the double frame, the triple drawer frame, and a fully adjustable height frame. Let's take a look. Now that we have our frames assembled, I'd like to point out a few of the differences in our different options of items that we offer. So the first one that we just assembled was our double drawer unit. This unit has the drawers fixed in place for height. This is going to be the 9-inch spacing option. This unit is going to be a double drawer unit as if it had the 12-inch spacing option. This could be a double or triple unit that allows all of the drawers to be adjustable for height. When you're assembling these units, they're all going to go together the exact same way. The only thing that's different is that on the full height adjustable unit, these top spacers are going on the top of the unit, whereas on the double and triple drawer unit, they're going to be going underneath the top drawer. In a triple drawer unit, both the top and bottom drawer are fixed in place, but the middle drawer will be adjustable for height. On a full height adjustable option, both upper drawers are adjustable for height, and you can position that drawer anywhere in the frame that you'd like. What I'm gonna show you now is how we attach those upper drawer guides into the frame and allow them to adjust for height. For this step, you are gonna be using the hardware bag D. There's going to be 4 screws and 4 pegs that are in this bag. We're going to install 1 screw from the inside of the guide into this very front hole. We're gonna put the screw into there. Now when we look at the back, the screw is sticking out. We're going to take our peg and we're going to screw this on. Now we can take this and put it to the frame in one of these holes, one of these slotted holes on the back of the drawer guide. Now that we've identified which hole it's going to line up, we can remove this from the frame. We can grab another screw and a peg, screw in, attach our peg. Now that we have our pegs installed onto the guide, we are ready to install this onto the frame. There are no additional screws, hardware, or tools required for this step. It was as simple as screwing these in by hand, and now we're ready to just put them right up onto the frame. Find your desired height and slide it right in. We're gonna do that to the opposite side. Now that our guides are all the way attached to the frame, we'd be ready to install this unit into your cabinet. You are now going to use your screws from bag labeled C to fasten this down to your cabinet. It should be the only bag of screws that you have left. There's going to be 3 long screws and 3 short screws. You're going to put the 3 long screws across the back, and you're going to use the 3 short screws to install across the front. Once you fasten this down into the base of your cabinet, you're ready to load it up with your drawers. We are all finished. So I just wanted to give you a quick recap. Whether you're getting a double drawer unit, a triple drawer unit, or one of our full height frames that can be for both double and triple drawer units, all of the frames assemble the exact same way. We're gonna have our 2 side panels, we're gonna have our 4 spacers, and all we're trying to do is attach those 4 spacers in between those 2 side panels. From there, we're gonna install the drawer guides, and once the drawer guides are installed, we're ready to fasten the entire unit down into your cabinet. Once the unit's in your cabinet, you're ready to load these drawers in and start enjoying your pullouts. Thanks for your interest in our pullout solutions. We're happy to help you out. If you have any concerns or questions about the assembly or ordering these units, contact us today. I will be the one to pick up the phone and speak with you directly. We look forward to serving you.